This class is for class 8 and chapter we were discussing was compound interest. This topic today that we are going to take is about appreciation and depreciation. This is a very new topic for class 8 students. Now what is the meaning of appreciation? When the value of any article increases with time, it means it has been appreciated or increased. Basically it is, literal meaning is increasing. And depreciation means value of article when decreases with time, that is known as depreciation. For example, I take land for rupees 10 lakh. For example, I purchased a land for rupees 10 lakh and after 5 years its value is 50 lakhs. It means it has been appreciated. Appreciated means its value has increased with the passage of time. Now when we talk about depreciation, suppose I purchased a car for rupees 9 lakh and with the passage of time, maybe after 5 years, its value has decreased to 4,50,000. Means the value has been depreciated. Depreciated means with the passage of time, the value of that article is decreasing, going down. I hope the literal meaning of appreciation and depreciation is clear with you. Now, there is a formula or how do we solve the questions based on appreciation and depreciation, or what is the formula? Suppose I say that original price of any article be rupees X and it appreciates at R%, means rate of interest is given to you R. So what will be its value after n years? After n years, what will be its value? So we generally use the formula of compound interest, and its value after n years, let us say value after n years will be P. P was original price, or original price is X. X into 1 plus R upon 100, and for how many years? N years, so N. This is the formula for appreciation. Whenever the value of anything increases, we use this formula, or appreciates, we use this formula. What is the value of the, now suppose the same thing, original price was X, rate of appreciation, now I am taking this as R will be considered, in second case R will be considered as rate of depreciation. Rate of depreciation. So when the rate is depreciating, means it is going down, so we take it as negative, means rate of depreciation is generally minus R%. So the value of article, or whatever it is, article after n years will be original value, that or original price, that is X, or that was X, here we considered 1. Now here R will become minus R upon 100 to the power n, where n was years. So this is the formula for depreciation. And this was the formula for appreciation. Now we will do the questions that are there, that were left, that is exercise 9C. So I'll just write these two formulas, appreciation and depreciation. I hope this is clear to you, and we'll do the rest over questions. I think question 8 and 9 was left, so we'll continue with that. Now I have taken 8th question and I have written both the formulas for appreciation and depreciation. Appreciation is when the value of any article increases with time. It's given by value after n years is X times 1 plus R upon 100 to the power n, where n is time, R is rate, and X is the original value. Similarly, value after depreciation or after n years will be x is the original value, r is the rate, and n is time. Now in question number 8 they say population of a village increases by 5%. Now here the word is used increases. It means that it is a case of appreciation and the present population is 4,000. You have to find the population after 2 years. It means time is given to you 2 years. You can say time or you can say n also because here we considered n as time. So n is given 2 years. So which formula you are going? Since it is a case of appreciation, we'll use this formula. So we'll say population after 2 years will be x. X is what? 4,000. 4,001 plus rate is 5%, 5 upon 100 to the power n. N is 2 years. Now 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 100. So it becomes 4,000 into 20 plus 1. So it is 21 upon 20 to the power 2. When you solve it, 4,000 into 21 into 21 upon 20 into 20. 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. 4 tens are. Now 21 into 21 is 441 into 10. So that is 4410 is the population after 2 years. This will be the population after 2 years. Now we move on to question number 9. Now question number 9 says 2 years ago value of a machine was 62,500 and its value depreciates by 4% every year. You have to find the present value. So if we take that today's value, let today's value be 62,400. So what will be its value 2 years from now? Because they said 2 years ago means 2 years back. So we are taking those 2 years back as today. Means suppose today the value of machine is 62,400. What will be its value 2 years from now if it depreciates at 4% per year? So you can easily apply this formula of depreciation. So present value, or I'll write value after 2 years, because we have considered let present value be present value of the machine be x. Means this, since the question is given 2 years back, so those 2 years I have brought to this and we will calculate the value of the machine 2 years from now, since it is depreciating by a fixed percentage 4% every year. So 2 years value of the machine for 2 years will be, what formula we use? X 1 minus r upon 100 to the power n. Why minus? Because the value is depreciating. It means the rate of interest is getting low or less. Now the value, today's value is 62,500 into 1 minus rate is 4%. So 4 upon 100 for how many years? 2 years. So 4 25 is 100. 25 minus 1 is 24. That will be 62500 into 24 upon 25 to the power 2. That can be written as 62500 into 24 into 24 upon 25 into 25. We know that 25 into 25 is 625. So 25 into 25 will cancel. By 625 it will be 100. And we know 24 into 24 is 576. So into 100, so it is rupees 57600. So this will be the value of the machine 2 years from now, or if you talk about this case, so since the value of the machine 2 years ago was 62,500, so today's value or present value will be 57,600. This is how we solve the question. So now this your syllabus, this chapter is completed. So please go through this, and next chapter will be, I hope, uh, uh, time and work. Next chapter that we are going to talk about is time and work. So all the questions that we are doing here on the board should be there in your fair notebook, and whatever questions we have left will be in your practice notebook. In case you have any doubt, you can send me the questions on this number, right? So for the time being, stay blessed, stay at home, and keep following. Thank you.